I got these two bird boxes and I'm going to try and recycle them. Put them up and see if the birds come into the box and nest. Put a screw there so that I can get it in and out to clean the nest. Here we are. I'll put screws on there because when I want to take, if I put nails in there, when I want to take it out, I won't be able to get it out, so I'll put screws in there, unscrew the screws, just pull that out and clean the nest and put it back up again. That's done. Now this one. I bought this one from the shop and this one as well for Bluetooth. This one was in the garden, it was damaged, so I repaired it for the robins. So was this one for Bluetooth. It was damaged, so I repaired it. So now I'm going to hang them up. I'll have to find a position for them. Location, location, location. I've just put up 4 exclusive bird villages right here in my garden. Prime location, amazing views and a luxury living. It's basically the top spot for any bird looking for a new home. This is an exclusive gated estate, not just some backyard birdhouses. It's got everything. A shared pool, 6 fine dining restaurants, also known as bird feeders, and even a small orchard with a peach, apricot, cherry and nectarine trees. The food is all free when the fruit comes in about 4 months' time, so no need to leave this a paradise. Let's take a look at all these fantastic villas. This one's the biggest and the best, a brand new villa with a load of space and a killer view of the garden. This is for the bird who wants the best of the best. Plenty of room to stretch out and some serious luxury living. And has a security CCTV camera, which will be me watching the box from the kitchen window, which is over there. Now let's go and have a look at the next one. Here we are. Next up, we got the Cozy Cottage. A bit smaller, but packed with a charm. This one's built right in the pagoda, and will have plenty of grapes to eat once the grapes ripen. And it's got a little side entrance for easy. Let's have a look at the entrance. Here we are. A little side entrance. For easy cleaning, you know, got to keep things fresh for the next lucky tenant. Moving on, we have the compact bird nest villa. It's been reconstructed and made habitable with a great view from the front and a big opening overlooking the communal pool, which is over there. And there is the opening at the front. It's perfect for any bird who loves to chill and people watch by the water. And here is the side where I've reconstructed it. Done my best. And last but not least, the executive suite, the second largest villa on the estate. It's been redesigned for a maximum comfort, with a stunning views of the pool, again, which is over there, and the garden. If you're a bird who wants a little extra space and a prime location, this one's for you. Bonus perks for all villas: access to the communal pool, first come first serve, 6 gourmet bird feeders, which 2 of them are over there, 2 of them are over there, and I got one here which I'm going to fill them up tomorrow. And here is the orchard access. Enjoy free food once those trees start fruiting in a couple of months' time. Prime address in a peaceful neighborhood. So yeah, if you're a bird looking for a new place to crash or just passing through for a short stay, these exclusive villas are ready to be occupied. And I already got a blue tit coming, and I will keep looking at this one. I think he likes this one.